Welcome to this quick tutorial for the USKEYVISION multi-lens phone case. Here you'll learn how to use the case and what each of the lenses do. Under the magnetic door, you'll find the lenses are already installed in the housing. They include a circular polarizing filter, a 20x macro, a 10x macro, a 180-degree fisheye and a 2x telephoto. Let's start with the circular polarizing filter, or CPL. It works with your iPhone's ultra-wide lens and can remove glare from things like glass and water. Simply slide the CPL over the ultra-wide lens and you'll feel the mechanism lock in place when it's properly aligned. Rotate the filter to adjust the polarizing effect depending on the angle. Slide the housing along again to use the 20x and 10x macro lenses. The 20x macro works with your iPhone's standard wide-angle lens and is great for capturing detail really close up. The 10x macro works with your iPhone's telephoto lens and it lets you get even closer.